Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the mountain. Oh, we got a busy one ahead of us today. Domino, what are you doing? Yeah? You ready? You bouncing? Today I'm going to be helping the Drifting Dreamers. The old cabin that we took down last year has been stored up here in the boneyard for the last year, and it is time to get everything down to the landing. They got some projects coming up that they're going to use some of the old wood and stuff like that, and I need it out of my boneyard because we're moving all of that over there. So today's the day to get that done. Let's get Uber fired up and let's get to work. Good morning. All right, guys, we made it to the Dreamers. We just recorded a
Dreaming
with the Drifters.
with drifters. Yeah.
I almost said shooting the shit. We're gonna go ahead and get Uber fired up. We're gonna go clear out a spot for all of this stuff. We got the big dog today. Yeah, sitting there thinking this is a fashion show. It's a work day, but that's all right. Official what e-sport clothing line, ESX 360. He's gonna think 360 when I'm done working him today. Let's get after it. Oh! We caught one! That's hilarious.
That's a keeper.
This looks like a pretty good spot right here. I like this spot. It's also ducked off out of the way, you know, And it's gonna be a nice unloading area, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, we can pull the trailer off to the side of the mill right by that tree.
Can they go around?
Hopefully we don't need it.
I got some trees.
Take that strap off.
I got some trees down.
Yeah, all right, yes, sir. Let's, I will put in for, Brent. That'll be good.
Yeah, I think that right there will give us plenty of room to put the pig pen down here. That one sweet gum right there, it just broke off, so I'm not gonna dig out the root and stuff with my backhoe. Not being great, we're just using it as a storage point anyways, so it ain't that big of a deal. Do got a couple of big rocks right there though that you can use.
Yeah, these are really nice ones right here.
And right across the street, you got a whole, you can build a whole outdoor kitchen right over there, buddy.
Yeah, that is a mega rock enclosure right there. Look at these rocks. Town, look at that mega rock right there.
Yeah, you got quite a few cedars right over there that I pushed. I went in and pushed all that over there to the side so you can cut it up easily.
Appreciate it. Yeah, I got a really nice big mega cedar right there.
Yeah, I tried to separate that from the trash, you know what I mean? So yeah, we're good to go. I think now all we gotta do is head up to the boneyard and see how we're gonna rig all this up and switch the bucket out for the forks. Let's get it. All right, now we back up a little bit, buddy.
He's got the trusses. First load complete.
All right, guys, that worked out pretty well. We got all of the trusses in one shot right here. And look at there. I didn't even listen to the sign. I didn't stop. I made it happen. But yeah, that worked out real well. So we're gonna go ahead and run these down the hill. The big challenge for us is gonna be over here with the walls. They're a little rotted here and there, but there's a ton of good lumber here for sure. I think what we're gonna end up doing, we just had a little meeting, a little meeting chat. Matter of fact, we did it on Come On Keeping It Real. So if you ain't subscribed to that channel yet, make sure that you go over there and subscribe to Come On Keeping It Real. It's the daily vlog here on Come On Mountain. And we do a lot of behind the scenes, spilling beans and work with us type things over there. So it's a real good time. Got the man right there, the myth, the legend right over there. Working the cameras, working all the wood, moving things and stuff. Glad to have a little man here today helping us out. We're probably gonna just go ahead and stab the forks through this old rotted OSB right here and just kind of start scooping and taking. It's only 5 walls, something like that.
Yeah.
So that's just 4 trips down the hill. It ain't too far away. It'd be nice if we had a little trail cut through there, but we don't. It's in the future. As soon as we get it surveyed and know exactly where the fence lines are, I'm gonna take Uber and cut a little, I wouldn't say walking path, more of a maybe golf cart, e-bike, 4-wheeler type path, about the width of the bucket, so probably about a 6-foot path on through there just to connect the 2 properties. I will be putting a gate on there and a lock just in case I don't want to see Mike, but you know, it is what it is. He's pretty squirrely though. He'll probably jump the fence. It's hard to keep him out. Yep. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get Uber fired up. Let's go ahead and get these trusses down there, get those stacked up there. We want to keep them like we had them, kind of vertically up against the tree. That just keeps water from settling on them and stuff like that, keeps them from bowing and stuff like that. So let's get it.
Yep, holding it down, holding it down. Go. One down.
Yeah, that worked out pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little difficult. I was driving blind.
Yeah.
I mean, I was looking at the trees up top to kind of see where they was at, bobbing and weaving. So it worked out good. Like I said, there's gonna be a lot of rot and stuff that ain't no good, but there's some good wood there still.
Yep.
You know.
Even if we come away with enough wood to build just one good solid, you know, enclosure,
Yeah,
it was
animal structure. Or
it was
like
all
that.
worth it.
Yeah, because y'all got what, goats coming?
We got yep, we got to go to White Rock Homestead and get goats. We are building a chicken house, and eventually we'll be getting some more rabbits from you.
Yep, rabbits, chickens, and a pig in the future too.
And
maybe you can use some of the pig pen here to build the pig pen.
What? Talon, grab that. Watch yourself.
Be careful.
We do this?
Just grab it and put it over there out of the way.
Hey, just that little kick.
They teach you that in Ultimate Fighting Championship.
Yep. The one you're standing on, that's just a rule kick. Go ahead and take it. I think that'll be good for now.
That big fat boy right there. That's a nice fat log right there.
Yeah.
Or board.
That ain't coming to you. I'm gonna tell you what, it's a whole lot nicer with the smaller pieces where I could see both sides. I could just drive it in second gear and get up with it. We moved that in like 3 minutes. So hopefully we get to do the same with the rest. Let's keep going.
There we go. To the boneyard.
I'm going to straighten that up and put the loose boards on there.
Oh, good idea. Talon, hop down.
Now, first of all, straighten those boards up on there more level. The loose ones there. That way it rides better. There you go. Shift them all that way a little bit. That way they don't fall off down the road and you gotta stop it.
Here, grab this one. We'll grab it together. We'll grab it together. Grab this. Go it. Grab this. Grab it together. It'll go fast. That's fine. That's not one of them. That's a board he milled. You can leave it.
Move it out the way of this entrance.
Cool.
1, 2, 3.
That was a good idea to go ahead and get all this on there.
Yeah, save the trip.
Yeah. Oh, the loose stuff. Loosey goosey, huh?
Yeah. killing it today, buddy. You're killing it. Over there and we can cut that one that you keep bending down.
Got an idea for this guy. Look out so don't fall in your head. Yeah, there we go.
Worked a lot better. Well, that worked a lot better than what I thought it was going to. We didn't have to hook the trailer up. I think trying to put it on the trailer and taking it off would have been a big mess. I think by the time we did all that, it would have been broke up into 1,000 pieces.
Yeah.
And just been a lot more difficult, and also run the risk of spreading more nails and all that kind of stuff down the drive.
You know, and you were able to place this almost exactly where we wanted it.
Yeah, it worked out. Worked out really well. That Mike was beginning was like, do you think it's wide enough? This and that. I said, I got you. We got a little bit of cleanup to do up there, but wait, there's more. So the reason why I'm putting my trusses over here is because I'm thinking about putting my shop right over here. I think that's going to be a good area. It keeps it away from the house a little bit, but it's right here by the driveway and the four-way, so I can kind of go any directions with equipment, machines, and stuff like that. I think when the dozer comes back out, I'm going to get him to eliminate this stuff in this section right here. I will keep the big pine tree right here. I don't think there's any danger of it just blowing down. It's pretty healthy. But yeah, I think tucking it right over here in this corner would be a good spot for it. What do you think, Mike?
I think that's a good idea. Easy access.
Yeah, I was thinking about putting it on the other side, but then I would have to cut a road across the yard, and I don't really want to do that.
And then when it's time for you to use it, that's just further you got to take it.
Yep. So I think it'll be out here in this area. Even if I decide to leave that and clear out this area right here, I'll put it right here. But either way, it's going to be in this general area. So I'm going to put that there, and I'll probably put the metal right in front of it. That way it's all in one spot. And as far as the dozer goes with the tree that it's leaning up against, I can push that over with Uber if I need to later on. All right, let's go grab the metal.
Well, you got one of our boards. They've got one of the boards.
Well, as far as moving stuff out of the boneyard, that is a conclusion to that part. There's still a lot more stuff that's going to go on today. Like I said earlier in the video, we got Simple Life Reclaim coming over, and I'm going to give them one of the rabbits. And my hope is that while we're having our little barbecue here and we got a bunch of adults, we're about to go and unstrap the yellow tents back there off the stakes that's staked down to the ground. And hopefully, being as that we're going to have 1, 4, 5 adults and plus a young man tiling, that's 6. There's only 6 poles on there, that we'll be able to just kind of pick up and walk the yellow tents to the boneyard there where we just moved all of this stuff from right here. That's why I went ahead and moved it today, because we're about to get the rest of that stuff out of the backyard starting today. So I'm very, very excited about that. I already checked on the weather. The weather ain't supposed to rain for about 5 or 6 days. The good thing about removing the tents and doing that, then the clock starts. Ain't nothing to it but to do it at that point, or else I'm going to destroy everything that I have. So I like to work up under pressure a little bit. Today's the day. Let's get it. All right, guys, I just got done with the chores, and I also went ahead and cut all the tie down support to both of the yellow tents. We're going to try to get those moved today. Simple Life Reclaim is on their way over right now, but the main goal is to get both of those yellow tents moved to the boneyard today. That way all I got to do is start hauling stuff over there. But right now, while we're waiting on them, we're going to go ahead and move all the tractors over to the boneyard and get them parked over there. A taxi requires a little go-go juice. There we go, come on. Alright, we're gonna let taxi warm up a little bit, and we'll go ahead and lift up as well. Lift fires up like a champ. For right now, I'm gonna park them right here out of the way, because I got a lot of stuff to bring back here in the boneyard. All the tractors are parked. The reason why I'm parking Uber here is because this is where a lot of the attachments are, and if I needed to get access to them, Uber would be the one that needs it. So it's nice tucked out of the way, still leaves all of this right here open. We're gonna put the yellow tents right over there. That's the goal. We got a low tire on the four-wheeler. Need to go ahead and get that aired up. Yep, I think that's gonna work out right nice, right nice. How did you get here? Huh? Was you stocking them?
No, they drove down to our house.
Oh yeah, they stocking them?
She sat on my lap, and then she...
I think you was sitting at the driveway stocking them. That's all right, just run by me.
Yeah, it's the normal. It's the normal thing to do. Hi, Domino!
Hi, Domino.
Domino! So I gotta go check out Gary. What's going on, brother?
Brother.
Look at that. Look at that.
Holy cannoli, mountain views, brother.
Yeah.
You just got a lot of space now.
Yeah. Tons.
Holy wow.
Yeah, we're still removing a lot of these and some of these big ones right here, but it's...
Yes. Yes. Yes.
All right, I know I didn't get much of the canopy move. It was getting late, the sun was setting, and we was just trying to get it done. I wanted to make sure I got it done while I had everybody here. Big shout out to Drifting Dreamers 5 and Simple Life Reclaim for helping me out. But look at the mess. Ooh. It is go time. I've only got 5 days until it rains, so I have to get this done. But we're gonna do that on the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Make sure that you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we are moving and grooving on Come On Mountain. And we still got a lot to do. But we are definitely making a lot of progress here. And this whole area right here is about to go through a very dramatic change. So make sure you stick around for that. But I think that's going to be about it for this one, guys. I love every single one of y'all. And until we see each other again, come on, let's go on another adventure.